Today I'm going to show you how to make a butterfly money lei with a woven ribbon base. It's going to have 6 butterflies on it. That equals $12 total if you're using $1 bills. Alright, so to start this project, you're just going to need some wire. Wrap that around your butterfly from the front to the back. Give it a good twist or two. Pinch it just to straighten things out. Okay, now grab your ribbon and use a needle to poke 2 holes through it. You're just going to poke the holes in, kind of wiggle your needle around. That'll make the hole bigger so you can pull your wires through from the butterfly, and then you're just going to twist it on the back there. Snip it off. Use your muscles. Trim it to the size you desire. Then you're just going to grab a piece of tape and you're just going to tape over that wire, so maybe if a graduate is wearing this, they don't get their clothing all snagged up. And that's how you assemble this lei. To see how you fold the money butterflies, please click the link at the end of this video. And also, if you'd like to see how to weave the ribbon, there's a link for that video as well. Thanks for watching The Classy Cheapskate. See you next time.